This is Daley and Emily's documentary of wonderfulness. So far we just got up the hill and we decided to look out on this little pasture thing.
And we found a person.
Yeah, we found a person, which was pretty creepy because it was like in the middle of nowhere.
I was just chilling.
Yeah, for sure. That would help, Emily. Okay, so I probably like have chocolate all over my face because we were eating wonderful ice cream and I feel like I'm gonna throw up because it was hella sweet.
Indeed.
Like hella. Okay, and now I'm like hella.
Under my
Amber.
Ella.
That
was too many L's. Under
My.
Ella. Too many.
You just like pissed off a bee. I could hear it buzzing. My legs hurt so much. Holy crap. Okay, so we're not that high. This is what we got. Yeah. That's where we plan on going.
Yeah.
Woot. So we'll come back right after
These messages.